I was sent these Mop Pad refills to check out, and I have absolutely been loving how well they work and how well they clean. And the only difference I've noticed so far is the tag. So taking a closer look here, I got the 5-pack of the Mop Pad refills. And this double-sided design is what makes this really unique. I also like that there's a little loop here for hanging them to dry if you don't pop them in the machine. And these are, of course, reusable and washable. And the microfiber has little irregular surface to it to help pick up the dirt and the dust. And these are thick, but they're soft and durable at the same time. They have the velcro closure there on one side. So although it's soft, it's durable. And this is gentle on the floors. Can be used on hardwood, laminate, tile, vinyl, linoleum, you name it. And these can be used wet for mopping and deep cleaning or dry for dusting. And to compare, this is the original one that came with my mop. You can barely tell the difference. The same sort of design, the Velcro and everything like that. Very, very comparable. And to put the mop head on, and slide that in, and then just close up the Velcro like so. And again, what makes this mop design really unique is that it swivels like so. And these can be used dry for dusting or wet for mopping and deep cleaning. Here's the mop head in use. And I thought my floors were pretty clean, but I seen here, look how much it picked up. Pretty gross. But I'm glad to get that off my floors and into the wash instead of tracking all that around. Overall, these have been a great addition to my cleaning routine, and having more of them just makes things easier.